Keep seeing LX files in your Office folder and wondering what they do? These quietly manage your custom spelling corrections behind the scenes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these Microsoft Office custom dictionary files work and how to manage them. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the LEX file. I'll reveal it at the end. LEX files are custom dictionary files used by older versions of Microsoft Office for storing user-added spelling, dictionary entries, and exclusion word lists. They supplement the built-in spell check dictionaries with organization-specific terminology, technical jargon, proper nouns, and custom vocabulary for accurate spell checking. LEX files use a proprietary binary dictionary format containing indexed word lists with language identifiers for spell check matching. Each entry stores a word string with optional morphological data for inflection matching. The binary index structure enables rapid lookup during real-time spell checking in Office applications. Microsoft Office Suite from Microsoft Corporation should be your first choice when attempting to open LEX. Windows generally only reads the header information, not the full content. Windows may load the config file in a text editor, but only informed edits should be made. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the LEX file and select Open With. If Microsoft Office Suite is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. When an LEX file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, viewing dictionary contents. Modern versions of Microsoft Office use plain text DIC files instead of LEX format. To access custom dictionaries in current Office Open Word and go to File, then Options, then Proofing, then Custom Dictionaries. The dialog shows all active custom dictionary files and allows viewing and editing word entries directly. Next, migrating custom words. Open the LEX file in an older version of Microsoft Office that supports it or use a hex editor to extract readable word strings from the binary data. Create a new custom dictionary in current Office versions by adding a DIC text file and manually entering your custom vocabulary terms from the legacy LEX file. Finally, managing spell check dictionaries. In Microsoft 365 or Office 2019, and later manage custom dictionaries through Word Options proofing settings. Add technical terms, company names, and specialized vocabulary to your custom DIC file. Share the dictionary file with colleagues by distributing the DIC text file, which they add through the same custom dictionaries dialog. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.